Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use DSers step by step using the easy method. This is a great way to link your online store to suppliers so your latest business project is ready to make sales. First, link your online shop to the app. The first step is to open your computer, log into your main shop control screen, and connect it to the helper tool. You need to join the two systems together before you can move any items. Open your internet browser, go to the App Store inside your website builder, search for the DSers app and click the Install button. Log into your account or create a new free one, then click the Confirm button to bind your online store to the Helper app. Because the Helper app needs to know exactly where to send the product descriptions and pictures, you have to create this bridge so your shop can talk directly to the warehouses. Without this step, you would have to manually type in every single product by hand instead of using the automatic helper tool. Next, install the browser extension. You need to add a small button to your internet browser that lets you grab items from warehouse websites with a single click. Go to your web browser's extension store, type the app name into the search box, and click the button that says Add to Browser. Look at the top right corner of your screen to make sure the little app icon appears next to your web address bar. Because it gives your internet browser a brand new feature that works while you browse shopping sites. By adding this button, you can scan wholesale items and save them to your account instantly. It ensures that your setup process stays fun and fast when you go looking for cool things to sell. Next, find products and add to your import list. Now you need to explore the large wholesale supplier website to pick out the items you want to display on your personal shop page. Open the supplier website, browse through the clothing, toys, or electronics sections, and hover your mouse over an item you like. Click the bright orange button that pops up on the product picture to copy it over to your import list folder. Because your shop needs inventory before customers can buy anything from you. By collecting these items, you are creating a private list of goods that you can edit later. It is the key step to getting the right output so you can filter through the best items before putting them in front of the public. Next, push the products to your live store. The final step is to check your saved list, adjust the prices so you can make a profit, and send the items straight to your active website. Go back to your Helper app dashboard, open your import list folder, check the boxes next to your items, and click the Push to Store button. Wait for the green success checkmark to appear, then open your live shop page to see your new products listed. Because it officially copies the pictures, details, and color options from the warehouse straight onto your own website storefront. Once you click that push button, your items are officially ready for customers to buy, and the warehouse will know where to ship the orders. Remember that you have to keep finding the right output for your design to make it look perfect. Summary. To use DSers, you must first link your online shop to the app. Then you install the browser extension button at the top of your screen. Next, you browse products and add them to your import list. Finally, you click Push to Store to make the items live for customers. This straightforward steps make sure your latest business projects are smooth and easy to build. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.